It's Aaliyah.
It's Kayla. Today we are doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge. Alright, Nate.
Scared.
Bring the handcuffs.
I'm so scared.
Alright, what time is it?
Wait, I'm on my right hand. This is
Oh, yeah.
I have a reason for why I want my right hand.
Why?
Because of the way I sleep.
That means you're gonna have to sleep on this side. What time is it?
Because I lay this way.
It's 10:15. So this time tomorrow at 10:15, these things are coming off. All right, little disclaimer: we are not going to the bathroom handcuffed. Okay, we're gonna go make food.
Oh, I want some chips.
For breakfast?
I'll find a banana.
I didn't really realize how much this would affect me because now she's peeling an orange and I have to stand by the trash can with her.
Mandarin!
Just call it an orange.
Mandarin.
Alright guys, it's now 10:53 and
The handcuff.
we're trying to think of somewhere we can go out in public so we can get people's reactions. And my friend Taryn's gonna take us there and hopefully she'll videotape some for us. But yeah, she's putting on shoes because we're gonna get ready and go somewhere in the public and cry a little.
We can't even put our sweatshirts on properly. Let's talk about that. Because we can't take our handcuffs off.
Look at how red my wrists are.
Same.
Wrists so not icy, okay? So,
I'm literally freezing.
alright guys, we're in the car. I have to sit in the back because of her. We made it to Walmart and she won't show so everybody's okay. We are getting some crazy eyes. Okay. We're in PetSmart now.
Still handcuffed.
Karen's not paying attention. Good talk. Okay, anyway. Oh my god, there's a person in there. Cat is so cute. I'm over it. I just want these off. I just want to get away from her. Oh, they can't see anything. Oh, well, alright. I can't see. Okay, so we're gonna have to sleep like this. I'm kind of comfortable.
We're making bagels.
She's making one with Doritos on it.
Okay, don't cut it unless you try it.
Let's mock it. Hey guys, so Aaliyah is currently in the bathroom right now and I'm locked to this door. Can you see? Yes. Okay guys, our next challenge.
Kayla! Ow!
Is going to be me trying to straighten this mop of a hair. As you can see, it's kind of hard to do anything.
Yeah, we can record it and then we can just time lapse it and make it faster.
But then we can't play music, so we're not.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I'll show you the end result. Bye! I just finished kind of straightening my hair and I gave up on it. Because this hurts really bad. And I was over it. So, yeah. It's 9:16. We're still handcuffed.
Your dog's sniffing my butt.
We're about to try to go to sleep. So, RIP guys. Talk to you later.